Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Matlock 2027, quite a handsome shrouded or closed shackle padlock, made by a company, Matlock, which is sold through a company in the UK, but I'll be honest with you, I'm 99% sure this is actually a Federal lock, or made by Federal and rebranded for sale in the UK as Matlock. Very cool. Certainly something we should be able to gut, but I'm not just going to pick this. We're going to have a go at picking this as a bonus as well. Why am I picking this as a bonus? Well, it's an unbranded lock, but it's kind of cool, right? So to remind ourselves of a normal shutter lock, how that would operate, you can see how this is really just the same, but with a different configuration. So they managed to sort of turn this way up. So you can see how on this you turn the key, the bolt would slide through. Very, very cool. And thank you to subscriber Ian for sending me that one. My friend Yukov sent me these locks to play with, which is really very kind of him, just on loan, unfortunately. But yeah, operates in a very similar way. It's very odd, isn't it? But yeah, it's unbranded, but kind of cool and full of spools, and I want to have a pick of that as a bonus. So let's do this one first, and then we'll pick the other one second. Now, there's no key for this, so yeah, picking it is just going to be through feel alone. The vise, and we've got the usual suspects to help us out: a pry bar in 1.2mm and a range of picks. I've got monkey paw and lunatic in 25 thousandths and an 80 thousandths Peterson gem. So that's what we're going to go in with first. The gem, top of the keyway tension, it's a dead core, 6 pins. Let's go through and see what binds. Pin 6, 3, 2, 'Get a bit of rock. Pin 1 now, I think. Go onto it. There, 1, and we're into a bit of a false set. So I'll feel through, see if there's anything. So 6, 5, 4. Oh, sorry, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, can't really feel anything, so I'm going to go in with my monkey paw. It's just a thicker pick, therefore a bit more feedback, a bit more force you can add to this lock. So on 6, nothing. 5, nothing. 4, maybe, but I'm going to leave it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I think we click there, but I think we might have dropped a pin. So back to pin 1. Look at that. Oh, yeah, into the false set again. Let's check pin 3 now. There we go, and into the false set again. Really hard to catch these spools, so definitely some very nice spools going on here. I think on 6, 5, 4, 3. Maybe there's only 5 pins in here. Sort of hard to tell. And there goes 6, and we're open. Actually, do you know what? Relatively hard pick that. I think it's old. It's a bit gross on the inside. Got lots of gunk going on. But we do have an open. There we go. And screwdriver needed. I think I've got one in this drawer. Here we go. And let's gut this. Sorry for cutting away there. I literally slipped with my circlip remover. I relocked the lock and I had to back shim it to reopen the lock again. So yeah, that wasn't a lot of fun. But anyway, we got it shimmed. We got the follower in there. I imagine that because it's sort of like a Federal lock, we should see some serrated key pins maybe. Well, we'll see, won't we? So let's get these out. Oh. And because I back shimmed it, I overlifted some of these pins. Okay, so you can see that it was fully back shimmed. And I must have pushed some of the key pins, the short ones, up into the chambers. So when we have a look at this, you should see that that's what we get. We get some of these key pins and driver pins coming out. So yeah, we'll have a look. So yeah, there's a key pin, there's a driver pin. They're very short, so probably you could overlift these if you were so inclined and had a comb pick that would fit inside this. That's what I'm thinking based on my back shimming exploits. There is another pin or two. There we go. That's the move these across. Key pin and driver pins. Lovely little spools in these federal like locks. I don't know if it is federal, but you know, like I said, I'm 99% sure it probably is. And there we go. Okay, let's have a look at these pins then. Yeah, very, very nice. As we suspected, where the key pins are long enough, they have serrations on. You have some anti-drill steel pins. Again, if this one is long enough, it has some serrations on the pin. All spools in all positions apart from pin 1, so that's really nice to see. Overall, not bad, and definitely very much like any other federal I've ever seen. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Let's actually go do our bonus picking now of this lock. So here's the bonus lock, and it's a really good lock. Genuinely lovely pick, lovely spools in there. 6 pins. There's the key. This looks like a maximum adjacent cut, so it's not immediately easy to pick. This is a good lock. I wish it was branded so I could get hold of one, because it's just a really nice lock. It really is. Brass, smooth on the inside. Really nothing to dislike at all. I'm going to pick it with this multi-pick tension tool, top of the keyway, and a Sparrow's monkey paw, because this little notch tip really works well in this lock. So go back through, pin 2 here, click, 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 and we'll into a full set, which is really nice. Back round. There we go. That's pin 3. Pin 2 now. Into a full set again. That's pin 5. Pin 6. Set it, but we've dropped a pin. So just loosen up that tension, get that full set back. Pin 3 into a full set again, which is really good. Pin 2 again, full set. So very spooly, as you can tell, which is really lovely and very consistent as well. They're not gritty and horrible pins at all. They're really, really nice. Let's go back through. Okay, back to the back, pin 6. Here we are, but we might, yeah, we dropped a pin. Let's get on to pin 2 here, I think, into the full set. There's another one at the back which has fallen, which is fine. Pin 5. Yeah, there we go again, but we've missed out pin 2 and we are open. There we go. That's lovely. Genuinely lovely, lovely lock. Just a really nice control pick. Nothing to dislike in there. I just wish it was branded, because it's generally just such a nice thing to play with. But anyway, there you go. So that's a bit of an odd video for you. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you did, leave a like, put a comment below if you want. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It really helps me out, and I'll see you all next time.